Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make word-by-word subtitle animations in Capcut PC without Pro. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Right guys, go ahead and open up your Capcut application and then either click on New Project or continue on with a current project. So I'm going to click on New Project for this demonstration, and now I'm going to import a video from my files on my PC. So I'm going to use this untitled design here, and then I'm going to drag this design here. Alright guys, to create these word by word subtitles without having Pro, and now from here click on your video and then click on the text top left hand corner of your screen, and then click on auto captions, and then you can either have auto captions in English or Chinese, Dutch, depending your location. So for this demonstration I'm going to keep it to English, and then I'm going to click on create. So now what that's going to do is going to create auto captions for this video. So I'm going to let that do that, pause this video and get back to you. Alright, as you can see, auto captions has been created here. So if I go ahead and press play on this video, you'll see the captions.
Hello. Yeah, not doing too much today.
Alright, as you can see, there's auto captions here, but you can hardly see it. So you can edit this. So to edit it, simply click on the caption, and now where it says here, where it says apply to all, below that you can increase the font size to make it bigger, change the color. So if you want it yellow, red, whatever, click onto that. You got preset styles here too. So I'm going to click on, I reckon this one looks good. And now if I press play, these auto captions will be easier to see.
Yeah, not doing too
As you can see, it's a bit too big. So what I'll do is decrease the font size to about there. So if I go back and press play,
hello. Yeah, not doing
and as you can see, it looks a lot better here to follow along.
Yeah.
And now if you want to add the word by word subtitles, click on the text again, and then click on templates next to basics. And most of these you can see are word by word subtitles. So if I click onto this template here, this will automatically add it to the video. Also make sure it is applied to all, so select that little box there. And if it's a bit too small, just go back to basic and increase the font size to suit your video. So I'm going to leave it about that size. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.